Volkswagen Tiguan or Golf, same. Air spring repair. It was broken like that. End of cable. And I have fixed not this one, like that. Gently with like this spike I picked out this plastic. When it goes out, just one pin broke, so two left. After I cut 1 centimeter of cable because it was very crashed and bended. After I cut it with sharp knife, scratched contact, solder it a little bit, also solder it on this piece, and after with this needle I make 2 holes. I put some glue, super glue. After I put this cable on it, on those, and after I solder it to here. And this one how it looks after everything. And this type I have done before, one more, and it was need to desolder from here, but this one have pins like connectors, so it's no need to desolder. So it's more easier to do that. Now just left to do adjusting and put in good position. Now I'm gonna show you how to find middle. Yes, if you see this spike and this plastic inside here, and in something like that, this one in top, and here you can see it means it's middle. It spins 2 times and quarter or maybe half in each side, so it's 1, 2, and this last step is little difficult. Finish in left is like that. Again 1, 2. Now we have middle. Now go to right, 1, 2, and a little bit, and it must, yes, it's finished. Gently is not going more. So again 1, 2, and again we meet those pins in here. If I turn one to left is no pin inside here. If I go back, it comes back. Also it need to very clean. No, especially from hairs. I think here because of hairs it's damaging this, but maybe it's also by time, because it's very common problem on Volkswagen. And this one is new one is very expensive, something around 300 euro. So that's why I need to try to repair it. So before installing this one, I usually do like this: spin full in left, full, Yes, it's full left. Now I'm gonna install this one. Like this. Wait, yes, I think like this. Or some other way. Wait, I forgot. Maybe this one is the last one. Something like that. I must like this. And like this. Push it inside. It must have some click sound. Finish. Now we're gonna try to put this one in here, one in here, and one in here. Wait. Jumping. Okay. Like this. Okay, now try to go back to center from left side. And now 2 times. 1, 2. Okay, now we have middle. Marks is aligned. 2 times in that side. 1, 2. And little bit. Yes, finish. Again, and 2 times back. 1, 2. Now it's middle again, as we can see. One more time. 1, 2, and here a little bit, and 1, 2. Now it's middle. 1, 2. Now it's right. 1, 2. Middle. 1, 2. 1, 2. Finish. Now push all rubbers. Try to push. And now I think yes, first with one cover. Something like that. It's in place. Yes. And now push this on. Clean all hairs from here. Maybe it's good to put some oil, but I don't know which one, so I not put extra oil. And now push this on. Yes. And I'm not sure what you need to open it. For open, you must open this one clip. This, and this. Nothing else. Special on this one. If you have this connector which needs to solder, so you must disassemble everything, because you need from both sides, and it's I have another movie how it looks, but this one is easier, and it's possible to just take this cover and this, as you see. And now gonna last, and again you can see here this one and this one is aligned. This one on top, and here also you have 0 degrees, and you have strike here, and everything must be aligned. Okay, now it's middle, try to in left. 1, 2, and little bit. Now 1, 2, now it's middle. 1, 2, and right. 1, 2, middle. Finish. Your wheels is straight, so you can install it and finish. Part number is like that. I have marked it in case, just in case. But it's no need, but I marked here, here, but if something happens, that I not get lost how it was, but everything, as I see, comes back in places. Also one more part number. And for you comes, if it's broke, comes airbag lamp, and not works steering buttons on steering wheel. So like this you can understand that airbag spring, clock spring is kaput. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, donate if you want, and see you next time. Thank you.